The world of digital marketing and communications can feel overwhelming. You don't know what you don't know. Until TTG helps you learn and grow. We're a technology therapy group, and we're on a mission to help you grow your business by empowering you with the knowledge of various digital marketing tools and how to use them. On this channel, we'll be sharing short how-to videos to teach you digital marketing tips, tricks, and best practices in 2 minutes or less. We'll also drop some longer step-by-step tutorials that'll take you through the most effective marketing tools and how to use them on a do-it-yourself basis. If you like what you see, visit our website at technologytherapy.com, where you can access live interactive training sessions designed to empower you with DIY digital marketing skills. While you're there, be sure to check out our specialized packages, programs, and services for startups and growing businesses at every level. Because at the end of the day, it's all about working together to help you win. We hope you enjoy our channel. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon to be the first to know as we continue releasing our latest insider tips.